Hello ma'am, I'm Gopinath, with Java 15 Now I'm going to show you the Java's 10th experiment file handling. I had the program to create a Java to extract every word which does not start with the first letter of your name from a file and say find my stuff.txt. In this text file I'm going to write something about my name, it's related to my name, and also going to display the how much count of number my name, like my starting letter of my name. If it is caps or a small letter, I have to tell me how much time my letter is repeated. So now I'm going to show you the program. This is the program which I did, and I imported the java.io because this package, why imported this package means this IO represents the input and output stream. So it show you because using that you can able to take an input data and output data using this input output stream. It is so useful for us to make, and also created a class test main function, main class of class test, and there is a main function also here. I surrendered this into a try catch because it will show some exception over here. And I also created to file creating a new file. I create a file input stream. For I'm going to input some data into that stream, so I created input stream as FIP and new file input stream. So this is the path of the file which I created. So I created a file in this path of my F drive. You can able to see the file as my find my stuff. This will be there in my F drive. And also I created an integer data type of C, and count is equal to 0 and I is equal to 0. So also I created a character of like a maximum size of 1000, and also I'm going to I'm going to read that file. So for reading that file, I already have an object from here. So from this file I'm going to read my object, read my characters from there. So I created flip.read, so I can able to read over here. So I can, if I read means I can be able to read only one by using this. So I have to read the each and every word in the file. So for that I created a loop called while. So this while what it'll do means still it becomes -1. It'll read the whole file inside that. So I'm making that if c is equal to capital G or c is equal to small g, what if I find that one, so I'll count that. I'm going to counting that as +1. So if a character is have space also, or a space or else an -1, I have to tell that I have to keep on incrementing the character one by one, and I have to read the file in it. So and also after that also I have to read everything including if there's a comma. So I have to after this I have to read everything. So for reading everything in that file, I created the same what I did as integer data type what I created over here. So c is equal to fib.read, so it will read the whole file inside here, and it will display the how much times I'm counts is there in that file. And also in this file I put that into a for each loop, so I can able to display the how much times the g is repeated. So I have a thing. So I created a for enhanced for loop, enhanced for each loop. So it will take the values one by datas one by one, in which is matching the g's. So it will display over here. And also I created an exception hand. If I created a try means there should be a catch for that. So I created a catch for exception e. Now I'm going to run the program. So let me show you the drive which I created. So this is the drive. Now I'm going to show you the file. The file showing that Goa is a beautiful and a gorgeous. This is a file which I created over in the F drive. Now I'll show you the output which happens. So you can able to see in that file G existed twice. So it's showing that 2 times, and also showing the word of that file. This is the finding a word in the my stuff. Thank you, ma'am.